for a second and see if he'll be happy just sitting there. All right. This is Jethro, and Jethro is a red Tegu, T-E-G-U. Anyone ever seen a Tegu before? You can actually find them right here in the United States, though you're not supposed to be able to. We'll get to that a little bit later. All right, so Tegus are a group of lizards found in the Americas, and they are quite powerful. They have muscle all the way down their body, and right there you can see his jowls. Those are pads of fat that identify him as a male of this species. But they also protect his jaw muscles. He has one of the strongest bites of any lizard. It's about 1,000 newtons per square inch, and if you don't know your physics, that's enough to crush your fingers. So he has a very powerful bite, and that's good for going for his food, because he is a detritivore. He loves detritus. What's detritus? It's dead stuff. Carcasses, dead plants, he'll eat just about anything. And so he has these powerful jaws where he can just reach in and grab and pull and get mouthfuls of whatever he wants. That means he can live just about anywhere that has the right conditions. And they are quite popular even as pets because they are very intelligent animals. They show affection to people. They've even been known to choose the affection of their owner over food. They pass the mirror test, which means they can identify themselves in a mirror and realize that it's not another lizard. And they can even do a form of rudimentary counting. They can count items for a food reward. So it's pretty impressive, their abilities. They are popular as pets, but then the problems arise. These guys get 5 feet long. They are huge, and they have a pretty specific diet. You still need to feed them the right kind of stuff. Plus, they can survive just about anywhere. So people will get these animals when they're short, little, about 6 inches long, and not realize what they're getting themselves into. And that becomes a problem because they get bigger and bigger and bigger. And then somebody decides, well, you know, this is too much responsibility. You know what I'll do? I'll release them into the wild. Well, the problem is Florida is not their native habitat, and they'll survive just fine there. Anyone here from Florida today? Yeah. You know about the problems we got these guys? They are now illegal in Florida because so many people have released them into Florida that they are a self-reproducing population. They're actually spreading up towards South Carolina now. Same is true of green iguanas, yellow anacondas, and boa constrictors, and a whole bunch of other stuff that people should have been better stewards with, right? God gave us dominion over creation. We're supposed to be good stewards, which means we don't just do whatever we want. We should come to a better understanding of creation, how God intended it, and if we're doing something, know what we're getting ourselves into. There's a reason these pets are exotic and most people don't keep them. They are amazing animals, but some of them make better pets than others. If you don't know, stick to a dog. All right.